Risk is a part of everyday life. From crossing the road to launching a rocket, every decision carries some level of uncertainty. Risk assessment is the process of identifying and evaluating those uncertainties to make better decisions. At its core, risk assessment combines data, logic, and probability. It starts by identifying potential hazards. A hazard is anything that can cause harm. This could be a mechanical failure, a chemical leak, a market crash, or even a simple human error. Once the hazards are identified, the next step is to understand the likelihood of those events happening. This is where probability comes in. Scientists and analysts use statistics, past records, and models to estimate how likely each risk is. Then comes the evaluation of consequences. What happens if the risk actually occurs? This involves measuring the potential damage, loss, or impact. For example, a rare earthquake might have a very low probability but extremely high consequences. On the other hand, a small machine error might be very likely but with minimal damage. By comparing the likelihood with the consequences, experts can prioritize risks. High likelihood and high impact risks are addressed first. Low likelihood and low impact risks are monitored, but may not need immediate action. In scientific terms, risk is often calculated using a simple formula. Risk, likelihood, X, impact. Risk assessment is used in many fields. In healthcare, it helps predict disease outbreaks. In finance, it's used to evaluate investment risks. In engineering, it helps prevent accidents and failures. In cybersecurity, it identifies potential threats and system weaknesses. Advanced tools like computer simulations, machine learning, and AI are now helping make risk assessments more accurate. These tools can analyze huge amounts of data quickly and find patterns that humans might miss. However, risk assessment is not just about numbers. Human judgment also plays a role. Experts must consider ethical concerns, social impact, and unforeseen consequences. No system is perfect, and even the best assessments involve uncertainty. In conclusion, risk assessment is a powerful tool that helps us prepare for the future. It allows individuals, organizations, and governments to make informed decisions, reduce harm, and manage uncertainty with science and strategy.